how to choose a photography mentor. There are so many photography educators out there. How do you know who is actually going to be helpful for your business? Who is going to help your business to succeed? And who is basically just talking a big game? Or honestly, who is a good photographer but not a good teacher? There are so many factors out there to consider when you're trying to figure out who you want to mentor you in photography. And so in this video, I'm going to be talking all about what factors do you need to take into consideration when you're choosing your photography mentor. So the biggest thing is I want you to find someone who is already doing exactly what you want to do. I don't want you to listen to people who have a lot of good words about how they can help you if they don't have a photography business where they are already super successful and literally running their business in exactly the same way that you want to run yours. So let me give you some examples here. If you are a wedding photographer, you're not going to hire a family photographer to mentor you because they're not doing what you want to do. If you have a family and you only want to work 20 hours a week, you're not going to hire someone working 100 hours a week to mentor you because sure, they can teach you about how to work way too much, but that's not what you want to do. And you also, this is my biggest pet peeve, you also want to steer clear of photography mentors who are no longer currently in the photography industry. They are not doing what you want to do. All they're doing is educating, and that's not the business you are trying to be in right now. And so they're not going to be very helpful for you. They can tell you strategies that worked for them 10 years ago or 5 years ago, or however long it's been since they've actually been in the photography industry. But they're not going to be able to tell you helpful marketing strategies or like things currently going on in editing trends or like how to actually shoot and edit in a way that you want to do, because all they can tell you is what they did 10 years ago, or they can tell you what worked then. But let me tell you, the photography industry changes every year. I've been in the photography industry for over 10 years now, and every year, like, marketing strategies change. Every year, trends change, and nobody still shoots the way they did 10 years ago. And it's not just because you've become a better photographer or they've become a better photographer. It's because what people want in their photos changes and trends change. And I mean, if you look back on photos from 1990, that's not what you would still want to do today. And so whether they're mentoring you on shooting and editing or on marketing, I really highly do not recommend a photography coach who is a full-time photography coach and they don't actually do photography anymore. And that's why no matter how successful my photography education gets and no matter how many clients I mentor, I will always still be a photographer. So these days I actually spend about half of my time being a full-time family and newborn photographer, and the other half of my time I am a photography educator and a photography mentor. And I firmly believe that in order to be a successful photography mentor, you also still have to be in the photography industry. I also mainly mentor family and newborn photographers because that's the type of photography that I do. And so there are some of my courses, especially marketing courses, where I do believe that I can mentor other types of photographers, but I'm not going to tell people how to do wedding photography. Even though I was a wedding photographer for 7 years, I've been out of that industry for 4 years now. And so I really don't know what's going on with the trends for weddings or how to market weddings or anything like that. The only thing that I will say I can mentor both wedding photographers and family photographers and headshot photographers and honestly any kind of photography is SEO, because I am an SEO expert. I have gotten to page 1 on Google, and those SEO basics are going to be the same for any type of photography. And so that is the one place where I will mentor any type of photographer is my SEO course mainly. And I also have a free SEO mini course. And so if you are any type of photographer and you need to learn SEO, I do have a free mini course all about the simplest way to rank #1 on Google. And so I highly recommend checking that out, no matter what type of photographer you are. But for all of my other courses, I really specialize on only teaching family and newborn photographers. So again, you want to make sure you're asking someone to mentor you who already has a business where they're doing exactly what you want to be doing. And so you should only be asking people to mentor you who are already really, really successful. So if you want to have a 6-figure photography business, you should only be having photographers mentor you that also have 6-figure photography businesses. If you want to do a certain style of shooting and editing, then if you're hiring a mentor to help you with shooting and editing, they should already be doing that exact style that you want to do. And so that is honestly the main thing that you need to look for, is someone who already has a really successful photography business, and they should have a successful photography business today, not a successful photography business 5 years ago. And so I guess that's the main reason I made this video. I want to caution you on hiring photography coaches who are only photography coaches. Hire a photography coach who also has a successful photography business. And you also want to make sure that you're hiring someone who did it in a way that would be sustainable for you. You know, like if you don't want to work 100 hours, you're not hiring someone who is going to tell you you have to work 100 hours to be successful. And so find someone who you really look up to because they're doing exactly what you want to do. Hire that person to be your mentor, or go to their website, see if they have courses for you that that would be helpful for you in this stage of your business journey. And so again, I mentor photographers who are family and newborn photographers, or I mentor any photographers only when it comes to SEO. And so if you're interested in either a mentor session, if you are interested in learning newborn photography or family photography, I do have online courses on all of those topics, and I also offer mentor sessions, and I would love to work with you if you feel like we are a good fit.